What's up, everybody? Today I'm making a video just to give you a little quick tip on when you're starting your own authority. For the first 30 days, it's really hard to find a broker that handles people that have their new authority. So, from experience, you know, my favorite for power only was Convoy. Straight from the rip, I was rocking with them power only loads, and run a lot of P&G loads out of PA, and it made me a lot of money. So that's my number one for new authorities, new owner ops. Another one that was good if you have your own equipment, like trailer, flatbed, or reefer, would be Uber Freight, Convoy as well. And another one that I was using was Coyote. And once you get past that first lump, which is getting over those first 30 days, first 60 days, you start getting into, you know, more brokers that'll deal with you, like Jamie Hunt, which I think is, they want you to have your authority for 3 months, so 90 days, I believe so. Also, Snyder, 6 months. Yeah, so that was my top broker, which is Convoy. Especially if you're running power only, a lot of brokers aren't really, their power only network isn't that great. So it's a quick tip of the day. Alright, everybody, salute to y'all. Everybody be safe out there on the road.